Coinsquare wallet app. The pros, the cons. Coinsquare has been a big name in Canada's crypto scene for years, and the Coinsquare wallet app brings that same reputation of security and simplicity right to your phone. But how does it actually perform compared to global competitors? Let's break down the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, Coinsquare's biggest strength is trust and regulation. It's one of the few fully licensed crypto platforms in Canada registered with Canadian regulators. That means users get the peace of mind of a compliant and transparent platform, something many exchanges still lack. The app supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and other popular coins. Users can buy, sell, and transfer assets instantly with no need for complex wallets or external apps. Another standout feature is its integration with Coinsquare's exchange, allowing you to manage trades, view portfolio performance, and move assets between trading and wallet accounts seamlessly. Coinsquare also focuses on security and compliance. Funds are stored using cold storage solutions, two-factor authentication, and advanced encryption, a strong combination for both beginners and pros. Now for the cons. While Coinsquare offers strong safety and regulation, it's limited to Canadian users. International access is still quite restricted. Another downside is fees. Depending on your trading volume, transaction costs can be higher than some global alternatives like Binance or Coinbase. Finally, while the app is reliable, it's more focused on basic investing than advanced DeFi or staking tools. Users who want deep with the integration might find it lacking. In conclusion, the Coinsquare wallet app is one of the safest and most regulated options for Canadian crypto users. The surprising truth? It might not have the flashiest features, but it offers something many platforms can't: real security, simplicity, and compliance in a space that often lacks all three.